Namaste to all of you. I am Shah Jahan myself. I am Shah Jahan, yoga master from Kerala, India. Now I am going to demonstrate and explain and chanting one of the famous mantra. It's called Gayatri mantra. Gayatri is the divine god, considered as a divine god, Veda Mata. So Vedas is an ancient religious Indian scriptures or text. This mantra is very powerful. We are chanting for this mantra for knowledge and wisdom. For the regular repetition, for the regular chanting of this mantra, we can increase the capacity of the knowledge and increase the capacity of the spiritual knowledge. Also, you can get a very good relaxation, calm down your mind, calm down your body and everything. So the rhythm, the chanting, the rhythm, so the repetition is very important. Now I am going to chant 3 times for all people. Om Bhurbhuvaswaha Tatsavidurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo yo na prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvaswaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo yo na prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvaswaha Tatsavidurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo yo na prachodayat. Dhiyo yo na prachodayat. Dhiyo yo na prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.